Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best Samsung Z Fold 4 official cases 2022 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The idea of finding high-quality cases from your favorite brands is great, but when you have the chance to get a case from the same brand that you have purchased your phone from, you will be assured of quality, looks and elegance. That's what the official brand has always aimed for. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is the most durable model ever, but you'll still want to protect it, and a case is available to do that. Therefore, we have compiled the top Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 official cases that are currently on the market. I have prepared this video guide for the best Samsung Z Fold 4 official cases, so let's get started. 4. Samsung Z Fold 4 Silicone Grip Cover. Another nice case for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is the silicone grip cover, especially if you have trouble handling it when it's unfolded. Given that it has a strap on the back, it will be simpler to grip onto. The silicone grip cover is available from Samsung in white and black. The black one has a green accent, whilst the white one has an orange accent. Strong grasp. Superior defense. The silicone used in the Galaxy Z Fold 4 silicone grasp cover is made to withstand daily use, and the silicone strap on the rear locks your grip on your phone to keep it safely in your palm and off the ground. 3. Leather cover protected premium. The traditional Samsung leather cover. Unless you chose the beige option, it matches the Galaxy Z Fold 4 because it is available in gray, green and black. However, the beige Fold 4 will also look fantastic with the black leather cover. This case is basically leather. It has nothing really unique about it. Wrap yourself in opulent leather that is built to last. The elegance of the smartphone's distinctive design is enhanced by the Galaxy Z Fold 4 leather cover. The leather cover gives protection to the front and back of your phone while preserving its clean design and giving it the lovely feel of genuine leather. Take advantage of the very plush surface and comfortably hold on to your device. 2. Galaxy Z Fold 4 Slim Standing Cover. Similar to the standing cover, the slim standing cover is slimmer and does not have a S Pen slot. Given that the S Pen is not included, this makes it significantly less expensive. It is available in sand and black. It will go very well with your Galaxy Z Fold 4. A hands-free phone cover can let you stand up with flair. Carrying the Galaxy Z Fold 4 sleek standing cover in your pocket is simple thanks to its fashionable, slim design and plush matte grip. Additionally, it offers a steady standing position whenever you need it so you can enjoy extreme watching. The Galaxy Z Fold 4's sleek appearance is not obscured as the slim standing cover elegantly wraps around the front edge of the device. 1. Samsung official standing cover with S Pen. This year, Samsung's standing cover saw a significant improvement that places the S Pen holder in a much better position, reducing the discomfort of holding the phone when the S Pen is not being used. For your new foldable, Samsung's own Galaxy Z Fold 4 standing cover with S Pen is ideal. It enhances the Z Fold 4's functionality by adding a slot for the S Pen, concealing a thin stand beneath the stylus holder, and guarding against potential bumps and scrapes. You receive 3 complementary colors to match the original colors of the Fold 4's silicone, which has a matte surface. Samsung provides the Galaxy Z Fold 4 standing cover in all 3 of its color options. Gray, green, beige, and phantom black are all included in this. So guys, this was the video about the best Samsung Z Fold 4 official cases. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.